Today we will see animated diagram for the e-commerce microservice architecture. You can see that our e-commerce microservice e-commerce application can be used either by mobile app or maybe web applications, and it is connect to our middle layer API gateway, and from there it is redirect to account service or product service, order service, shipping service, and they have their particular respective DB. So first of all, we will complete one side, like we will complete first a request, and we'll go to the response. So first thing first, we'll start it for this point. I think this is in a group. We will do ungroup. Okay, we have take our point and we'll try to give animations. So we have click on animations in our PowerPoint. Now we have add animations. We will go to the more motion paths. Here we will our request request is left to right. So we'll take that right positions, left to right. And you can see that animation is okay. For that we can go to the animation path also and see. We'll play it again. It is going, yeah, but it is our path is not perfect. It is outside our path. So we will drag it here and put it back. Okay. Now thing is from our mobile applications to our API gateway. Now our request has to be go to the API gateway to account service. So we will take that. And from here, for here we will give the motion path and to the right. So you can check. See this one, mobile applications to account service. It is going. Yeah, but yeah, same thing. Its path is more, so it is going outside. So we will reduce this path. Just wait a minute. I will do that. Yeah. Okay. So I will do this. Actually, means when I make this application, when I make the system diagram, I make it group. But when you do the group, see if I do here and give the animations to the right. Actually, whole yellow is going, but so that's why means I'm making it ungroup. So, okay, first let me delete this path. Okay, I will ungroup this, and again I will do add animations. More. Reduce it. Okay. Now you can see our mobile applications calling the API gateway, API calling the account service, accounts calling the API. Or one site request is completed. So same thing we'll do the response. We'll complete our response. For one site, more motion path. Here now our response is from right to left. So we will use this line, left right curve. This, yeah. Here is also we will complete. We'll add animations. Left curve. Here we will give the animations, more motions, and left. So now we have completed at least one request in the response. So we'll play it again and see. See, it's going to account service, account to account DB. Now response come back from account service to API gateway and API gateway to mobile app. That's it. Fantastic. Okay, we will do similarly for our web application call to the API gateway, and later then we'll make this API gateway call to the product service, order service, shipping service, etc. Okay, let's get started with the. Okay, we have this web app calls. We'll click to click animations and some more motion pictures, and we will choose the same right things it is going to write. And put it here. Now see, now I will play and it will be what will happen. Mobile app is good. So API gateway call to API gateway call to account service. Account service is called to the account DB, and there is all the response will be back. Then this request will be started. So actually that is a wrong. We will solve it, but let's see how it is our call going. Okay, so it is a thinking like when all the mobile call will happen, then web application call will be happen. So it is not right. We our user can means our users are can do anything. So they can access the mobile application and simultaneously some other user can able to see the web applications. So what we'll do, we will move this the last our connecting dots from web application to API gateway to move a layer. This connection with web. So when you play, and we will make it start with, see, still it is going differently. I will show you what is a wrong thing here. See, when mobile application call to API gateway, then it is calling to web application to API gateway. No, it maybe means different user is there, then it will be call. But we will be thinking like we have a means, simultaneously different user both can be able to access mobile applications and web app. So our this web application to the API gateway has to be with the mobile application to the API gateway. So here what we'll do, we will click start with the previous. Now see what will be happen. Both mobile applications and web application call together. It's good, right? And see, these all are the call is start after previous. Right? These are all the call. This one is also start after previous. Why I am making like this? Because when this call is completed, then a request will be goes like that. I will be trying to do. As of now, we don't have this. We don't make a connection API gateway to product service. So currently, it is playing perfectly. But now, when we do the call API request call to the product service, that time it will be playing differently. So we need to solve it. Okay, let me click that and show you what will be happen. Again, we will go to the right. Now what will be happen? This our call is at the end. When everything will be finished, that time this API gateway to product service will be called. Okay, so that is wrong. We need with whenever this API gateway to account service call will be happen, same time our API gateway to product service call will happen, because same thing, like our user can make any of the call. So this is our last one. We will move it to up with our first call. And here we will make it start with the previous. So this both call will be all together. Let's say mobile application to web applications, then it's fine. Okay, so similar way we will make our API gateway make the request to the order service. Earlier with same with the previous here, add animation, add the path. Move it earlier and make it start with the previous. So all this call will be made together. That's it. How it is going. Mobile application to API gateway and API gateway to all the services. Okay. Now similar way we need to make it call for all the service call to that respective DB together. First we which one we need to connect with the 108. Okay, let's move it to 108 and make it make it start with the previous. Start with the previous in the sense it has to be called this account service, make the request to the account DB same time. So product service has to be called to product DB. Here we will do start with the previous. So now this both the call is together. Let's see, play one more time. Okay, it is fantastic. Okay, same similar way we'll give animation to this service also. We'll give animation. Move up. Then this one also start with the previous. This one also start with the previous. Okay, start from the beginning. Let's say one time. Fantastic. Now same thing we need to do for the our response call. This is our second call on this database. Make the response to the all the that particular service. We need to make it together. Okay, as I told, I need to move it on this all the this three call to align with the account DB to account service. Okay, and this all the 2, 3, 4, 5 view, this all the thing has to be done after our account service to account DB, product service to product DB, order service. So we need to change it here to start after previous. So it will be move here. See, you see, this is going here. Same way, we need to make it start after previous. Now here we need start with the previous, because this call and this call should be together. Now this is also start with the previous. This one is also start with the previous. Okay, after this is done. Now this one, now number 70, this call, it should be start after previous. When our response come back from account service to account DB to account service, then we need this call to be happen. Okay, let's play. And one more thing is also left. This one, this is the call. Now from API gateway to response come back to the mobile app. It should be happen after account service to API gateway call. So we'll make this one also start after previous. Okay. Okay. Run our animation one more time. Perfect. Okay. Now come move to, we will do the same call, same thing for this all the response service. Response back to our API gateway. This all the things has to be done with the so we need to make this all the call with this service, account service response to API gateway. So we'll move this one to up, this one to up, this one also up, and will has to be start with previous. So it will be call has to be go together, start with previous, and this is obviously start after. So there is only one call, one thing is left. Response goes to the back to the web applications. We will add the motion path here also. We have added. Now together. Now is our thing. It should be start with the previous. Means this. Okay. So this is our final output. Let's see how our final output is going running. Mobile applications, our applications, response come back, response back to API gateway to applications. That's it. Now you can make it as a zip format. Make this our presentation to the zip format, and that is a continuous call, continuous request and response will be go together.